Hey everyone, I made it into Sam's Club. So right here we have deck tile. It's going to be 27 and of course you get 10 in here. You need quite a bit if you want to fill in a big space though. A 3-pack of Pokemon balls are going to be 29, so $30. And everything you need out for outdoor, they are here. He wasn't in the way. He thought he was in the way. He ducked. Look at that big bouncy house. That's pretty cool. 25, a little, oh, that's quite a bit of vehicles. You get 6 in here. Okay, you know, grandparents, if you're babysitting a toddler, look how many you get for 25. $29.98. So they do have one really similar in Costco. I would go with the Costco one, just because I do honestly feel like this cover would rip. It would tear if it snags on something. And the one at Costco was more like a cooler too, and a backpack. And $25. If you're going fishing, a fishing boot, they are non-slip, which is going to be $49.98. Are you guys a fan of fishing? I think my dad ruined camping and fishing for me, because like that was everything we did.
That's why she won't enjoy them.
I'm like, you know, fishing is, I know it's supposed to be relaxing, but I don't think I could sit there for that long. I'm someone that has to like move. So you get 36 in here for $32.12. If you love flips, a 24-ounce bag for $8. I haven't had flips in a long time, but they do have the Reis one too. Those are $8.48. A 51-ounce, over 3 pounds of Jelly Belly in here. Oh my gosh, 15 bucks. The Hershey Bunny assortment. Rolos, I love Rolos. Bunny's Best. These are $25.98. And they also have plenty of Valentine's. I've been kind of amazed in Sam's Club and even Walmart. There's plenty of Valentine's. I mean, these are $9 right now from 20. Wow, I can't believe that was 20 now that I look back. $9.28 for 380 count on bubble gum. Good to fill up Easter eggs. They do have the peppermint here. Those are $13.18. You want Sour Patch or Punch? They're $15.98 and you get 24. And everyone goes crazy for this one. My daughter loves them. They're $16.88. You get 12 here. The bear is $7.98. So all the chips here are $4.48. A week ago they were like all on sale for $3 something. Funyuns, gosh, I love Funyuns, you guys. What is your favorite? Like, are you a Funyun, Dorito, or Ruffle? I like Lay's and Funyuns. Haven't had Funyuns in forever. And a lot of people hate on the Funyun. I would hate more on the corn chips, on the Frito, okay? A variety pack by Members Mark is $14.98. You get, they're like classic. Barbecue, sour cream, cheddar, classic. And you get 42. Okay, we have Skinny Pop popcorn, cheddar and jalapeno, gluten-free for $6.58. And then next to me, they have the butter for $5.98. This one's going to be a little different on the price range, $6.58. Bison Boys are $11.58. This is teriyaki. It's like a treat, an expensive treat. And this one is original. This one's going to be $12.98. This one is honey barbecue beef. So that's a new one. Let's see, 8 grams of protein, no MSG, no added nitrates. Made with 100% USA. Let's say USA. Yeah, beef. And $9.78 we have lemon zest cookies. What? Vanilla shortbread cookie filled with lemon filling and covered in lemon coating. Oh gosh, you guys, I'm trying to like stay away from stuff. I've been really bad. I've been eating a lot of pizza. Like, you don't even know. I don't know what's going on with me, but like pizza is all I've been thinking. And the cheesy breadsticks, I'm like, okay, I feel like bloated. $9.78. So the last time I was here, I ended up picking up this and a pack of like cookies for the teen center. This is $13.98 and you get 30, and they really did enjoy Dunkaroos and like cookies I bought. So yeah, I have to like normally buy like pre-packaged food. I'm trying to like maybe do a granola next time I go, but you know, I don't think they would eat it. I don't want to, you know what I mean. $13.98 here and you get 60. And down here, these are Thinful snack mix, 2 grams of sugar, 60 calories per 1/2 cup, $6.98, so 7. Oh, kind of like, you know, you got the snack vibes. Trust me, snack vibes hit a lot at nighttime. I feel like when it's like 9 o'clock and you're watching something, because I felt very snacky and I'm like, no. Like I said, I'm trying to be good, so I made a smoothie and I suffered. The soccer sports jacket, these are not jackets. These over here, the jackets are $29.98, so it's going to be like a hoodie. This one is a zip up one. And the shirt is a $20 here. Let's see. Oops, oh my gosh, trying to get to that blue one. Is it the same? Yeah. Okay, for books, Ugly Love. I just hate how there's no magazines anymore. It kind of bothers me because I like looking at like the recipes and the cooking ones. The Arizona graphic tees are $9.98, so 10. And you know what? We are getting warmer, and I was debating like, you know what? This is a good walk-in, jogging type of shirt. Hanging around the house. Under Armour shorts are $17.98. Not bad if you're doing some jogging. And of course you're gonna feel the breeze. They have black, gray, and if you want the tee, they're gonna be $19. They also have hot pink. They do have the rib legging. These are 10. And a crop top to match is 10. Why does it have to be cropped? I don't know. And $12.48, you have the Lysol laundry sanitizer. Veggie trays, $4.33 by Members Mark. So we're looking at $11.60 to $10.44. So this one's a new salad. It is Cranberry Crunch Salad Kit. $8.02. It has blueberries, walnut dressing, lots of spinach. They also have a Greek salad at $8.98. And this one, caprese salad, okay, for $12.22. And on top, a Mediterranean pasta is $6.92. Okay, I was wondering why these were smaller. They're $4.98. We have prime rib steak sliders, so like $12.38. This one's like on a discount. So you remember the good days where the chicken was like $1.86 to $1.89 a pound? Now they're pretty much $3. So price point in here is like $16.20. So crazy. So the uncooked tortillas are $5.88. You get 36 in here. I want to say I believe you get 20 or 18 in Kroger for about $5.88. So I'm going to pick up one and then freeze the rest. Croissant rolls, okay, $9.48. Air fryer ready. You get 32. And look, this one is brand new. You get a corn dog wrap kit for $10.48. And you get hot dogs. Hot dogs come with it. I'm not too sure if it's like 100% beef. It is Oscar Mayer Wiener. And I found new cashews. They're called Street Taco Cashews with jalapeno, sour cream, lime, and garlic and tomato. Okay. And these are 10. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. But look, I found Fenty. Fenty Eye Revival Cream for all skin types. Gonna be $30. Fenty up in the Sam's Club. Okay. Huh. Okay, the mask one, exfoliating, is still here for $62. This one is new. Welly 72 count for $15.98. for blemishes. Really? Do you guys sleep with this on, or do you leave it on all day? Because there's a commercial where they looks like they put it on underneath, over their makeup or underneath. I'm like, you wear that all day? And the cleansing balm is $13.98. Please stay safe, you guys, and I will see all of you in the next one. Oh, there's this one here for $13.71. Oh, here's another Fenty pore refining toner for $26. I'm gonna have to Google this. I'm pretty picky when it comes to like face stuff. I don't like to use a lot. I mean, I use face masks, but I'm pretty bland. Drab. Okay, $56 here. The pomegranate moisturizer. 20. First Aid Beauty. Okay, we see this all the time in, you know, TJ, Marshalls. You get 2 for $57.